In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filter logic in Salesforce quickly and efficiently. This is a skill that can significantly enhance the way you interact with data, enabling you to create more insightful and tailored reports. Whether you are new to Salesforce or just seeking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in by logging into Salesforce. Once you're in your Salesforce environment, you'll be greeted by the home screen. From here, direct your attention to the app launcher. You'll find this in the top left corner of the screen, often represented by a grid or waffle icon. Click on the app launcher and then proceed to select Reports from the list of available options. This will navigate you to the Reports area where all the magic happens. Next, you'll need to decide on the report you wish to refine with filters. Browse through your list of available reports and make a selection. Once you've decided which report you want to work on, look for the drop-down menu situated on its far right and select Edit. This selection allows you to modify the report according to your specifications. Your next stop is the Filters pane, a vital tool in narrowing down data. It's here that you'll add the conditions you want your data to meet. So click on Add Filter to start tailoring your report. Think about what specific information you need or what data subset is relevant to your analysis. Once you've identified that, go ahead and input those conditions as filters. To create more complex filtering criteria, you'll want to make use of the Add Filter Logic option. This is where you can combine multiple filters using logical operators. Input logic expressions by incorporating AND, OR, and parentheses, just like you would in a mathematical equation, to control how your filters interact. For example, you could use something like 1 and 2, or 3 to dictate the data filtering process, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your requirements. Once you've constructed your conditions, it's time to implement these tweaks by clicking the Apply button. This step applies the filter logic to your report, refining your data view to reflect your specific criteria. Finally, if the changes you've made meet your expectations, click Save to confirm these modifications. This saves your newly refined report, allowing you to revisit or share it whenever necessary. And there you have it, an efficient and effective way to add filter logic into your Salesforce reports. This process not only enhances your ability to analyze data, but also empowers you with deeper insights, helping you make informed decisions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to revisit these steps a few times to get comfortable with the process. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to guiding you through more Salesforce tips in our next session.